Okay, look. I just made it home, and there go the UPS. The UPS truck is right there, and I just made it home. We made it home on time. Put my shoes. Do y'all see the box? We got the box. The box is secured. Can't show you the address. Got that Jordan box. Oh my God! Look at that Jordan box.
Look at that Jordan box. Hey, look at that Jordan box. Hey.
Look at that.
Look at that. Hey.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Woo.
Hi.
Comes double wrap. Y'all see that? Whoa. Whoa. Now let's see how these things is. What are these things? Let's see the bottom of these. They're not that bad condition. Got the M on that tongue. I'll get y'all a review of these later. Yeah. It's your boy Zay Clay Sneaks. And today we have a video of Air Jordan 12 Retro Michigan NRGs. Comes in this cool box. See all them Jordans. Got the 2s right here. 11's right there. Him playing in the 12s, flu games. Got the Brad 1s right here. 3s. What else you got? See them right there. Got the 2s. So yeah. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. We're only 3 or 4 subscribers away from 200. Now the goal is to try to hit 200 by the end of the month, but it looks like we're gonna pass that. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Now let's get to this video. You see it came double wrap, the black wrap, the white wrap. You can see, it's dope. Nothing else came with it. I see this one got the Jumpman. As you saw earlier in the video, I did get this from GOAT. Size 9.5. Got the yellow insole with the blue Jordan. Show y'all the blue suede real quick. That's sick. Got the 2-3 going down the middle. 2-3. This is Michigan PE. That was not on this earlier. Yeah. Then you got the other shoe that display the Michigan. Let me clean this a little bit. This suede is, originally I was going for the regular blue suede Air Jordan 12s, but I saw these. I was like, why not? You feel me? Cop these for a decent price. That's a gold background, blue jump, navy blue Jumpman. Jordan quality, inspired by the greatest player ever. See that 2-3. And there you have it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button so I can give y'all some more. I'll be giving y'all more content almost every other week. Well, no, every week. Every week. I'll be giving y'all content every week. So far, I've been trying to do it, every 2 to 3 days. But hey, we getting there.